Are you looking to drive more leads for your gutter cleaning service? Well, you're in the right spot. In this video, we're going to be talking about 7 simple tips to get more customer leads for your gutter cleaning business. Let's jump right in. Okay, first off, get social with before and after photos. People love seeing results. Share before and after photos of your work on social media like Facebook and Instagram, and also put them in the gallery on your Mighty Sites website. If you don't have a website already, Mighty Sites is only $9 a month, and the link's below. These before and after photos are just visual testimony of your service's effectiveness. Remember to use hashtags like gutter clean in your local area or home maintenance to help expand your reach in your local market. Tip 2, partner up locally. Build relationships with local hardware stores or home service businesses. They can refer customers to you and you can return the favor. It's a win-win for community business support. Tip 3, offer seasonal promotions. Everyone loves a good deal. Offer seasonal promotions, especially during the fall and spring when gutters are likely to need the most attention. Early bird discounts can also encourage customers to book your service in advance. Tip number 4, customer testimonials. Word of mouth is powerful, and nothing's more powerful in the modern age than representing that powerful word of mouth on your Google business profile and on your website. So ask satisfied customers to leave reviews on Google, your Facebook page, and then transfer them to your business website. Positive testimonials can boost trust and encourage others to choose your service. Now, the good news here too, the more 5-star reviews you have and the more reviews you have on an ongoing basis, the more likely you are to boost up and rank higher in Google searches, which is going to be self-reinforcing to drive more leads. Tip number 5, don't forget to use vehicle signage. Turn your work vehicle into a moving advertisement. Use magnetic signs with your business name and contact info, or have decals put on your van. It's a cost-effective way to catch the eye of potential customers in the neighborhoods you're already working in. Next up is local SEO. So make sure your business pops up when people are searching for your services near them, right? So the simplest way to do this is have a Google business profile, make sure it's fully filled out, make sure it's got reviews, photos, context like frequently asked questions and posts. Use specific keywords on your website too. So talk about your business in your area too, right? So don't just say you offer the service, say you offer the service gutter cleaning in Norwich, New York, right? And say that on your website and on your Google business profile. That location information is going to help Google understand when to bring up your business for gutter cleaning near me service searches. Next up, always have a referral program. So encourage word of mouth marketing with a referral program. Offer discounts or free services to customers who bring you new business. People trust recommendations from friends and family more than any advertisement. So leverage that to your advantage and incentivize people to refer people to your business. So with those 7 tips, you're on your way to making your gutter cleaning business the go-to service in town. Remember, if you don't have a website, that's where it all starts. Click on the link below to sign up for a Mighty Sites website. There's a 7-day free trial, and it's only $9 a month after that to help you get more customers for your gutter cleaning business. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe and like it so that it reaches more people just like you, small business owners looking to grow your business. And we'll catch you in the next video for more great tips on how to grow and market your local business.